and welcome back to our hairstyling video. We will tie the hairs on the side like this. Then we will take the hairs from the back, tie it, follow the same step for a few more times. Now tie all the hairs together and it's ready. Next, we will make the plaits in the front like this. Now take the hairs from the back and start making the plaits after dividing the hairs into 3 equal sections. Now take the front plaits and fix them together as shown in the video. Follow the same step for the other side as well. Now fold the hairs upward and fix it and it's ready. Next, we will take few sections of the hairs in the front, tie it and then rotate it. Make the plaits out of it. Now take all the hairs from the sides and join them and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the hairs on the back. Now make the plaits in the front and fix them on the back like this. Put the ribbon and roll the hair upward to make a bun and it's ready. Next, we will tie the ponytail on the back. Divide your hairs into 2 sections and now fix the hairs as shown in the video. Take the hairs from the front and tie them on the back as shown in the video. Follow the step till the end and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the hairs on the sides, make the plaits and then roll it upward and fix it as shown in the video. Tie the hairs on the sides and it's ready. Next, we will take the section of the hairs in the front and make the plaits like this. Now we will tie the ponytail and fix it in the between. Roll the plaits on the top, make the plaits and fix it on the top like this. And your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will divide the hairs like this and tie them one by one by making the plaits. Make the plaits and roll it upward to make a bun and it's ready.